tell us about you a little bit, so we
Really?
can get to know a little bit each other.
Well, I'm in the industry since almost, I would say, 40 years. I came in Saint Martin like almost 20 years ago, and to run clubs like Bliss, Le Shore, and now Roxy Beach in Simpson Bay. And I'm actually here on a vacation.
Amazing. How is it going?
Pretty good. It's my second day, huh?
Second day.
I was
How
here,
long are you staying?
I'm staying until Friday because Friday I have a party there.
Okay.
So it's my second time in 4 months.
Okay.
Nice.
I loved it that much that I'm already back.
And when are you going to plan a party here?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay, we'll be there. You let us know.
No.
No, but tell us, what event do you have then on Friday that you're going back to leave us?
I'm Roxy Beach that I represent today. I'm the resident DJ there on Fridays and Saturday. So for every Friday I have a party at Roxy. Every Saturday we have a different theme party, or we have major events coming in. And the Sunday in the daytime, I have a big party at Character Beach Bar in Simpson Bay as well. That runs for the past 5 years.
Okay, interesting.
Nice.
And a little birdie told us that there's a party as well at Roxy Beach in 2 weeks, if I'm not mistaken.
Small one, yeah.
Small one? I don't think it's that small. It seems to be quite big. Tell us
Well, it's
about
the first time he's coming in Saint Martin, and we see him everywhere right now. Ultra Music Festival in Miami, Tomorrowland this summer in Belgium. So it's a chance for us to have him for the first time in Saint Martin, Mr. Afrojack, and Dutch DJ. So that's part of my reason here, that I could eventually promote him on Dutch Islands.
Yes, obviously. And where can the people get tickets? Tell us a bit more about the event, the date, time,
Okay, that's a daytime event. That's starting in the daytime. Basically, 4 p.m. we start to have DJs warming up the party. He's going to come on stage around 8:30, 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. To go wherever he wants to go. I'm going to open the show for him.
Oh.
And we have a DJ coming from New York to close up, DJ Shortcuts from New York, Joey. And you can find the tickets right now on the roxybeach.com website, as well as on Eventbrite, because it's an Eventbrite event. Basically, you can also buy your tickets at Roxy Beach itself.
Okay. All right. And what's the cost of the tickets?
The pre-sale cost is $70, $70 US. It's pretty affordable for the name of Afrojack. We try to have a big of a party. That's why we're not going too high with the price. Because basically what you can see of his latest show is more like $250 or $300 for so we're trying to make it kind of affordable, even if it doesn't sound like affordable. It is affordable for who he is, because it's an expensive show.
Yes, definitely. Talking about a big name like Afrojack, it's gonna be an amazing thing.
Yes, and we're preparing a big stage for him, a huge stage. We have like a big investments on lights, on stage itself, sound. So we're trying to do something like completely different than the basic events we have normally.
Okay.
And is this going to be like then your first big event like this on St. Martin, or have you already done work like this?
We had the #1 worldwide DJ at the time when he was #1, Mr. Bob Sinclair.
Oh, wow.
We had him like for the first time in 2006, 2007, 2008, when he had these two famous hits, World Alone and Love Generation. He came 10 times in St. Martin. I had him twice in the 2 past years already at Roxy with different names. No, we're having big artists coming in St. Martin on regular basis. But that level for that moment, where he is now on the top 100, even on the top 10, Afrojack is the first real big investment as the market is today.
Okay, and especially now after the pandemic has passed, will we be seeing more of events like this as well in St. Martin?
Yes, normally the rule is when you have one, if you make it happen, if it's a blast, then it opens the doors for the other ones, because
Totally.
they always have to be a first edition. That's what happened 15 years ago with Bob Sinclair. Then we had Eric Morillo, then we had Roger Sanchez. They talk together, so they kind of like our ambassadors when they come to the island, and everything is good, everything is well. It's a blast. I want to go back to Saint Martin. Where were you? I was in Saint Martin. Oh, I want to go too. So I had phone calls from everywhere, from the agents, from the DJs themselves. That's what we would like to get after this one, because we had planned already for the coming up year some like big ones.
Fantastic. Mr. T, thank you for your time, and of course I
Thank you,
want
George.
you to leave the microphone open for you to make an invitation for all the listeners here in Aruba to join for this amazing event on May 26th.
Well, we have Afrojack coming on May 26th. We would love to see some Aruba people in Saint Martin for that occasion. And I think there is going to be 2 tickets to win on air.
Yes.
Yes.
That I leave it up to you guys
All right.
whenever you want.
Fantastic.
But I already gave 2 free invitations to win on air with you, George.
Thank you.
And it's been a pleasure first to get to know you, to be your invité, your
Of
guest.
course. Definitely.
And hope to see you guys very soon.
No, this is a plan we're gonna make, me and Tessely. So we have a plan to go to San Martin
Yes.
very soon.
Yeah. So when we get there, we'll let you know, okay?
You have everything you need.
Definitely. Thank you.
Have a nice day. Thank you very
You
much for
too.
your
You
hospitality.
too.
Dessa
Thank you.
Yabosa nos tabaita regalando tambe 2 tickets pa tremendo show aqui di Afrojack ku tabaita weekend di arriba dia di 26 di May ay nang na San Martin. Dessa si abot a planning any weekend getaway sa kita bo chance ku porgana 2 ticket. Masa kirado nos tabay dunabo detalles over di Esaki tambe. Iya sina ay abot tambe tin chance di enjoy amazing